Ayubowan. So previous videos I teach you how to do meditation and chanting, and few of them, right? There's a lot of them, but few of them I teach you. So try to practice in, try to do it, so you can get deep relaxation with chanting and meditation. You can get deep relaxation to your body and mind, and then when it's body and mind relaxing enough, and then automatically your body will relax, and then they are connecting together. When the body and mind connecting well, less problems we have more energy, power, all the system working, right? When is body and mind not connecting well, they are working separate, and then problems, you cannot work well, you cannot think well, you cannot focus about your work, so then problems coming. So that's why the body and mind very important. This machine, very important, right? Healthy life, everybody like to stay until end of our life with health and happy, which is very important one. Health and happy. If you have full of money, if you have a lot of things, doesn't work if you don't have health. With small sickness you can be very unhappy, very unbalanced. So health and happiness very important, no? 5 point of yoga. Proper exercise, very important. Proper breathing, very important. Proper dieting, very important. And proper relaxation, very important also. Proper relaxation and proper thinking and meditation. 5 point of yoga. You can get these things, you can improve these things, very important. Proper exercise, proper meditation, yoga, asana, very important. Proper breathing, inhaling, exhaling, lung system, very important. Simply we can increase our blood circulation with breathing. You can do it, you can get experience. You can do 10 times, 15 times, 20 times deep breathing, inhaling, exhaling, and then you can see until end of your breath. Keep your palms on your heart, and then you can feel heart function working well. That means the blood circulation working well. Final result is skin open and then sweating, right? Very important. And proper dieting, very important. Take light food, very important. Vegetable, real rice, seeds, yam, black tea, green tea, ginger tea, spice, very important to the body. Garlic, cinnamon, ginger, very important to the body. Stay away from the meat item. Meat item is staying on your stomach 3 hours, waiting for fighting digestion. Fast food digestion, very important. That's why light food very important. Boiled vegetable 20 minutes, fruits 10 minutes, water 1 minute, rice half an hour, fish 4 to 5 minutes, like this. You're staying stomach long time, food not good. Fast food very important. Digestion system working well with the light food. That's why light food very important. Ginger tea, black tea, green tea, herbal tea, very important. Cinnamon tea, very important, because when we are getting old, after 40-45 years, the between the bones, between the joint, collecting calcium. Cinnamon, very important, burn the extra calcium, right? We have in human body 210 joint, 210 bones, right? 210 joint, 207 bones we have. So proper stretching, proper eating, proper dieting, very important. Proper exercise, very important. Breathing, relaxation, very important. Relaxation, very important. Sleeping, very important. Relaxing, sleeping. During the sleep, all the organs, all the system replacing again, preparing again, right? Relaxation, very important. And proper thinking and meditation, very important. Proper thinking, positive thinking, very important. Try to believe your energy, very important. Don't believe your age, because if you believe your age, if you think about your age, you cannot do nothing, because we are getting old. Every day we are getting old. Not only us, all the things, all over the world, everything getting old. House, car, chairs, everything, trees, all the nature's getting old every day. So don't believe them. Believe your energy, very important. Believe your energy, very important. Trust in yourself, very important. And then your body and mind will give supporting you, and then you can stay healthy and happy until end of your life. Ayubowan.